How to make Unreal Engine run 2 times faster in 4 clicks. So first of all, we will switch the FPS so we can see what is going on. Show FPS. Okay, you can see it over here. This is Think22. And basically, when you're working in the editor, you don't need such kind of quality, so you can make the changes. So first click, settings. The second click, engine scalability settings, and what we will need to change those 3 things. So as you can see from the beginning, the quality is set up for the Epic, and this is really great. But for working in the engine, we don't need this quality. So we can put the shadows on low, global illumination on low, and reflections on low. So in 4 clicks, I have made those changes and you can see my FPS is now much higher. For me, this is excellent because when I'm working in the editor and when I'm not setting up the quality of the different things, but coding something, checking the blueprints, working with my character, with the NPC, AI, and so on. So for me, the most important is how fast is working the Unreal Engine. And in this case, it will work really much faster. So for me, it will be much easier. And I hope that it will also save your time. By the way, if you will forget to change those settings before you will make the build, it doesn't matter at all because those settings are influencing only the editor. So if you will build your game, it will be by default on the Epic, or basically as you will set up in your default settings. So I hope that it will help you. And guys, I really hope that it was useful for you. And if you like my video, so please give me the like and subscribe to my channel so you will not lose the new videos which I create. Love all of you. Bye bye.